Hi, this is Luke from Turtle Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 LDV G10 stock number 5938. This ran from 06-2021 to the current shape. It has a D22 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a D22 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front mirror, front bonnet no dents, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left front door no dents, left rear sliding door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear sliding door no dents, right front headlight, right front guard no dents, right front factory 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front mirror, right front door no dents, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster.